In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to cut rolled rubber. The biggest challenge with this type of flooring is its size and potentially its weight. Now, the other thing to keep in mind is that it ranges anywhere from 1/10 of an inch thick up to 2/3 of an inch. As with all rubber products, the other challenge is having too much friction while cutting. The vast majority of the time, cutting rolled rubber can be accomplished using a utility knife, a measuring device, a marking tool, a square, a metal straight edge, and maybe a wooden 2x4. Start by measuring and marking where you'd like to cut your rolled rubber. If you're simply looking to square up the end of a roll so it sits flush against the wall, you'll want to use a T-square or a framing square as a guide to ensure your 90-degree angle. Once you've marked the rubber, align a metal straight edge with your mark. The longer the straight edge, the better. If your straight edge extends beyond the edges of the cut, you'll get a cleaner and straighter cut. With the straight edge held firmly in place, take the utility knife and use a series of scores along the straight edge to work your way through the rubber. Thinner rubber rolls can be cut all the way through using this method. Just make sure you have something underneath the cutting area to protect the surface beneath the rubber. Generally, a piece of plywood will work just fine. If you're cutting a thicker rubber roll, score your way partway through the material and then align a 2x4 board underneath the cut to allow the cut to open and reduce the friction against your blade. Then proceed to score your way through the roll. If you need to notch out a section of the roll to go around something like a door frame, the same procedure applies. Just make sure to start cutting from an interior corner and pull the blade towards the outer edge. This will help prevent overcutting. If you're cutting a thinner rolled rubber, you may even be able to cut it using a heavy-duty pair of scissors. This can be a handy method if you need to cut curves. Thanks for joining us in Greatmats Workshop. Be sure to visit our website for more information and sample options, or give us a call to speak with a knowledgeable sales associate.